Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to install or update application only one click. Okay, now you check. This is our website. Now I am going to show you how to make this one click application. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Now open browser for download setup. Type here ninite, hit enter. Ninite install or update multiple app at once. Click on this link. Now scroll down. Select here application Chrome, Firefox, and VLC Media Player, Winamp. Scroll down WinRAR for zip file or compress file, and for any disk for remote desktop, and Firefox for document. Click on Get your Ninite. Setup is downloading. Please wait. Okay, now click on folder. Double click on ninite setup. Preparing setup. Please wait. This setup is work on only internet connection. This application is online, not offline. Okay. You see here Firefox, Chrome, WinRAR, Winamp, PLC, Foxit Rider, and a disk. Okay. Firefox is download, installing Firefox. Now you see on desktop Firefox is installed. Now downloading Chrome. Okay. Fast forward this video for save time. Okay. You see Chrome is installed and WinRAR is also installed. WinApp is installed. When VLC Media Player is installed. Now installing Foxit Rider. Please wait. The Foxit Rider is also installed. You see on shortcut desktop. Okay. After this, click on close. After complete, now open browser and check install properly or not. Okay, check here map. And see browser is also working fine. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.